Hi, I'm Agent Lee, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your new Amazon Echo Show 8. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. Access to a reliable wireless network, an Amazon account, and your smartphone or tablet with the Amazon Alexa app already installed. I'll be using my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. First, connect the Echo Show 8 to the included power adapter. The power will come on automatically, and then you can choose a language. Select your wireless network and enter the password. Now, enter your email address and password for your Amazon account. Select your location. If you enter your address, your Echo Show 8 can give you information about local weather, traffic, and more. But if you'd prefer not to, you can skip ahead. If you have a few smart speakers, you can link your Echo Show 8 to a smart home device group. I'm just using my new Echo Show 8, so I'll move ahead. Next, you can give your Echo Show 8 a unique name and choose a wallpaper for its screen. You get a free 30-day trial of Amazon Music Unlimited. But if you'd prefer not to, you can skip ahead. After that, a quick tutorial, and then it should be all set up and ready to go. Pretty simple. Just to make sure, let's verify that the Echo Show 8 appears in your Alexa app by tapping Devices, then Echo and Alexa. Your new Echo Show 8 should be listed here with the name you gave it during the setup. If you added your Echo Show 8 to a smart home group, you should be able to find it by tapping Devices and then the group name. Here's the tip. If you're having a hard time finding your new speaker, make sure that your Alexa app is signed in using the same Amazon account you used during the setup process. Also, if you'd like to customize what appears on your home screen, just swipe down from the top of the screen, then tap Settings, then Home Content. Here, you can enable or disable any content using the slider by each category. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like. If you have questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy. Thanks for watching.